Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for attending our BRK New Requirements Overview UL 217 8th Edition Models webinar. My name is Ed McMahon. I'm a sales engineer here at Liberty Electric Products and New England Electric Sales. Before we get started, let's just let you know that you're all going to be muted during the presentation, and we won't be doing any live Q&A. But if you have any questions, go ahead and enter them into the questions panel located on the webinar panel, and we'll be sure to reply back to you by email. Also, we're going to be recording this webinar and it'll post on our website in the YouTube channel so that you can forward this to anybody that you like. Our presenter today is Stephanie Corcoran. Steph is the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for the Electrical Division at BRK. For the last decade, she's held many different positions in the electrical business, which would give her some unique experience, not only with this application, but with many others as well. But today, this will be all about the 8th edition and what this means and why it's happening. So without further ado, I'll pass it over to Stephanie.
Thanks, Ed. Good afternoon, everyone. As Ed mentioned, my name is Stephanie Corcoran, and I'm the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for BRK. Thanks for taking the time today to attend this very quick, informative webinar. Today we'll be discussing the new standard for smoke alarms, the UL 217 8th edition. So here's just a quick video to summarize these changes that we'll be talking about in the next few slides. All right, so let's start with the basics in case some on this call are unaware. What is UL 217? UL 217 is the standard that all smoke alarms must be tested to be a UL listed smoke alarm. There are two testing facilities that are authorized to test the UL standard. Those facilities are UL and ETL. ETL is the testing facility that we at BRK use. All right, so what is the UL 217 8th edition? So this is the new set of standards that's designed to give advanced warning, but also reduce the number of nuisance alarms. I'm sure a lot of you on here have dealt with these alarms going off while cooking or in the middle of the night. So why the change? So this is the first technical update for smoke alarms since 2006. The new alarms require more than 200 technical changes to our current models. So this brings us to the why. Why the change and why now? Modern homes are using more synthetic materials which burn differently than organic materials. Modern floor plans are also more open, allowing the smoke and fire to spread quicker than ever. Nuisance alarms are the #1 reason for homeowners to disable their smoke alarms. And escape times have gone from an average of 10 to 15 minutes in the 1970s to less than 3 minutes today. So what does this all mean? This means that as of June 30th, 2024, all smoke alarm manufacturers can only build alarms that meet the new standards. Alarms built before June 30th can still be sold, installed, and used. The new standard only affects smoke alarms and combination smoke carbon monoxide alarms. Gas detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and heat detectors are not affected. Part numbers will be different. They are different. And the new technology does cost more money. So I put this slide in here because this change has been in the works for quite a while now. UL has postponed 2 or 3 times as there were not enough alarms passing these new tests. BRK has been ready and had alarms approved for over 2 years. We offer a 1-for-1 replacement from our 6th to 8th edition with more products on the way. Okay, so now let's recap. Major changes are here. We are set, stocked, and taking orders now for the new alarms. The new standard only affects smoke and combination smoke carbon monoxide detectors. This is not a builder or legislative code. This is a change to the standard that will require new models to meet it. Precision detection. So this is what we're calling our new set of alarms. This is to help distinguish between nuisance alarms and a real fire emergency. New sensing technology that detects smoke faster for an earlier warning. Thank you again for your time today. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out.